We are in a world where people are analyzing, people are into data and analytics. They say data is the new oil. That is
Yeah.
the key phrase that is ruling the digital marketing world. Okay. So what role does data and analytics play in optimizing B2B content for marketing performance?
So the way you look at data, I mean, there is no doubt that data is important because one natural tendency that we marketers have is that we tend to do a lot of things based on gut feeling, right? But ideally, you should look at the data, preferably on a day-to-day basis. If you have that kind of if you're at a maturity where data changes so fast, but it depends on the way you look at data will depend on the maturity or the stage of your business. Let's say if you're like a Skalegrow, which is in its early days, I'm not logging into my Google Analytics on a daily basis. I really don't have to do that because I'm not getting that volume of a traffic, and I'm probably logging into Google Analytics once a week. My YouTube channel once or twice a week. LinkedIn is something that I'm pretty active in. So probably logging into LinkedIn happens more frequently, but I don't have to do that on a day-to-day basis. Whereas if you're a large organizations, have been in business for a long time, you have large volumes of data to look at things, even the slightest of the change can make a difference to your outcomes. Then you should be looking at data on a day-to-day basis. So coming to how you should look at data, the way I look at it is there are two types of data. One are the leading indicators, and second is the conversion specific or business oriented metrics. Leading indicators are things like website traffic data, uh, or SEO related data as to how many keywords are you ranking for, what is your domain rating, how many backlinks do you have, things like those. Website traffic data, as you know, is the number of users and all that stuff. The third thing is on platform metrics. What I mean by that is whichever platform you're using, whether it is LinkedIn, podcast, your YouTube channel, you have to look at the on-platform metrics for sure. Let's say, for example, if it is YouTube, you have to look at the views, subscribers, retention rate, the demographics of your viewers, etc. That's what on-platform metrics is. So these constitute your leading indicators or top of the funnel metrics. The second category is bottom of the funnel or business related metrics, which are, it can start right from your MQLs, marketing qualified leads. But if you are very pipeline oriented or revenue oriented, if you want to look at those numbers, you can start from pipeline or revenue. But I think it is still important to look at MQLs and SQLs because again, in a way, they are leading indicators, but more at the bottom of the funnel. So that's how I would like to visualize marketing data. And like I said, depending on the stage your business is in, decide what frequency in which you want to look at the data.